Welcome to CBIT. My name's Charles. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving an overview of the Gigabyte RTX 4060 Ti. This particular one is the 4060 Ti Gaming OC 16GB. Let's open it up and see what we get in the box. Got the normal quick guide. Hiding underneath the packaging, we have got the graphics card. There's nothing else in the box, so there's nothing else to review for that bit. Let's have a look at the actual card. So this graphics card has got the triple fan layout, which uses the wind force cooling system, and it features three 80mm fans spinning in alternate directions. It's also got on the inside four composite copper heat pipes, which then go directly touch the GPU die. That will get the heat away quicker and able to get cooled through the fans. As with the other cards, I've got an open back on the last fan so the air can flow straight through and get the cooling. See, we've got the open back on the graphics card to allow the air to flow all the way through to aid with the cooling. On the back we have got two HDMI ports, one at the top, one at the bottom, and two display ports which are in the middle. On the top we have got just a single 8-pin connector. So this 4060 Ti has got 16GB of RAM. The core clock is 2595 MHz and it's got 4350 CUDA cores. The memory clock is 18 gigabits per second and it's running, like I said, 16 gig of DDR6 memory. It's a 128-bit memory bus and it's using PCIe Gen 4. The max resolution this can do is 7680 by 4320 and it can do 4 individual monitors. The actual size of the card, it is 281mm long, 117mm high and 53mm thick. The recommended power supply for this is 500 watts, but I always go a little bit higher if it was me, so I'll put a slightly bigger power supply in. I haven't got any performance stats of this particular card at the moment, so this was just a quick unboxing and overview of what the actual card is. If you'd like to see this working in a machine, subscribe, like the video and comment on the video, and then keep your eyes open for the up and coming videos where this will be used. Right, look forward to seeing you next time.